Hey everyone, I want to welcome you all to another episode of Real Drinks by Diz, where we take my favorite movies or TV shows and talk about it a little bit. Maybe find out what made it so special for me, and later after that, make some delicious cocktails about them. So today's week's selection is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The Go Green Machine, that famous battle cry the Turtles would scream every time they would face off against the forces of evil. Well, I wanted to make something fun, energizing, that would represent all of the four Turtles. That being said, we made a homemade green juice, complemented it with vodka, Maca and Elderflower liqueur, citrus juices, and garnished with a cucumber with edible petals, each one representing one color of the turtles. The Foot Clan Fizz. It was very important for me to make a cocktail that would represent the Shredder and the Clan. So I made a straight Rye Whiskey sour, it's a Ramos Fizz. The colors were very important for me, so I wanted that deep red, slightly purple that Shredder had in the movie. And we made a homemade blackberry syrup. Egg white, shaken really hard, nice and frothy and thick like a fizz, and topped off with a homemade blackberry syrup. The Mutagen punch. I know, let's get it out of the way right now. The movie was not a fan. I did not like that green, slimy, yellow color. I was always very into that cartoon series, pink, glowing Mutagen. So, it's a cartoon-based cocktail now. So I did a rum, refreshing, fruity cocktail. I wanted to have it just with a fresh hibiscus, passion fruit syrup, white rum, a little bit of an orange liqueur, pineapple juice, shaken real hard, and complemented with a glow cube. This has been another episode of Real Drinks by Diz. If there's any movies you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Till next time, my friends.